Shoulder and neck massage supine position 10 steps, part 1. First step, pinch and grasp here. 4 fingers below, thumb above. Apply force simultaneously, pinch and grasp upwards. Continue pinching and grasping upwards about 30 times. Second step, use this technique to lift the neck. Lift upwards from the cervical spine. The force must be deep and gentle. Lift upwards about 30 times. Third step, 4 fingers lift upwards from this point. Lift upwards from here. Different perspectives, check both sides. Come over from this point. Then come over from this point. Lift about 30 times. Fourth step, hands flick upwards from this point. 4 fingers flick upwards to the area behind the ear. Interested friends, remember to bookmark and follow. Study slowly. You will feel very relaxed after doing this. Fifth step, lie on your side. Stay tuned for the next episode.